today we're going to speak about humorous devices and how they can be used in movies and stories and in other sort of things you can read and think where you can find things funny and also in real life. The first one I'm going to talk about is the superiority theory, which is when you somehow feel better than another. It could be someone tripping in their shoelaces, and then you feel better because your shoelaces are tied and you didn't fall, and they fall and look stupid, and you laugh at them because you feel better than them. Another example could be us. If we Google ugly, they may come a picture of some really ugly, but we only find them ugly and funny because we think that we're prettier or we think we look better than them. Which theories is there else? Another theory could be the belief theory, which is based on a tense situation or some sort of taboo topic you're talking about or writing about or speaking about. And then you, if you feel sort of cramped in a tight space or tense situation or something, it really bothers you speaking about this, and then someone says something and you all laugh at it. You all relieve dopamine in your brain to relax and relieve some of this stress and press that you feel in this situation talking about a subject or topic like that. And then there's the incongruity theory, which is when something is so much out of scale of what we would think it is. So if someone said a dog or something, and in a movie it was portrayed as a, I don't know, the size of a mammoth or something. I mean, a dog we think is small, somewhat small, if it isn't a Great Dane or something. But a normal dog is not 20 feet tall and 60 meters wide. So if we saw that, we would laugh at it because it's so much out of reality. Other things that can be used in humorous texts and films is there can be used some kind of stereotype, which got used a lot in American Pie, the movie that I watched. Some of the things portrayed is a better word, I think. Of these stereotypes was Jim, the shy, horny teenager, which makes it funny to put him in the head role or to play the person that has to do all these embarrassing things, such as he got stopped by his dad with his penis in the pie because Ostraker told him that it would feel like a warm pie. That just that's funny for me at least, because I find that funny because it's somewhat dark, and I mean you can also talk about the belief theory there, because when him and his dad are talking about it, I mean he's probably terrified that his dad saw him like that, but when they sit down and talk about it, it wasn't that bad as you thought, I think. And that portrays some stereotypes, and Ostraker, the man that everyone wants, the best player at the lacrosse team, and then Stifler, the school bully who's really stupid, and Kevin, who's somewhat basic, and then Flinch, who's mature and very clever, very laid back. That's also something you can do, and also sarcasm, of course. I mean, they use that a lot in American Pie as well, but American movies don't always portray funny movies like that. They try to tend more to focus on the hero and his rise to the top, which and Denmark and Britain are more about fucking around with each other. Maybe not the right words then, but we are a lot better at laughing at ourselves and making fun of our friends, and that's how we get around with our friends. So yeah.